Today on Animal Farm, introducing Squealer, Snowball, Molly, and the powerhouse Boxer.
Also starring Mr. Jones.
My name is Old Major, and I am here to tell you all about a dream that I had last night. So come on in. Very important. The dream that I had last night was about all animals who lived free from tyranny and lived a peaceful life. So you know what time it is? It's time for rebellion.
I feel too good. Ah!
Old Major has just died. Mr. Jones was awakened by a ruckus in the barnyard.
What's that noise? Sorry to shotgun this beer real quick.
Oh! Go back, give it out on me.
Mr. Jones has forgot to feed us.
I'm hungry! It's time to start a rebellion.
Tired of this noise, tired of everything, I'm just tired of everything. What in the world? What in the world?
Get rid of you! We're tired of drinking beer! Get out of here! Get out of here! Now that Mr. Jones is gone, we need to start a rebellion. This farm is now ours. It is Animal Farm. Morning, Mr. Wimple!
Good morning!
I got you some eggs!
Well, I got you some milk!
Well, hey, thank you! See ya!
See you, bud.
I'm looking for somebody to do some trades around here on this farm.
Buddy, I believe I'm your man.
Well, you're hard. Be at work on Monday.
Heard that?
See you Monday.
See you, bud.
Alright, everybody, I hired somebody to do the trading for us, so y'all can do other things now. I've known him all my life. He's a good young'un. He's gonna do good work. We all better get this done. We gotta build this windmill. Yeah, gotta get some power on this farm. Build her, boys, build her.
The commandment has changed. The pigs start sleeping with sheets in the farmhouse. Windmill has fallen.
Look at this, boys. Windmill's done wet and failed. Wasn't no storm done. That was Snowball. Snowball did it. Give me daggone rice! We're giving you rice! Give it! We need electricity! No, we don't! No, we don't!
Get that out of your hair.
Pilkington's men would not let Molly wear her hair bows.
Get out of here. Go. Go.
Molly was seen being led off the farm by Pilkington's men while eating sugar cubes.
I'm Napoleon. We're taking over his farm. I'm making decisions from here on out. You got me? You hear me? You hear me? Meetings are for ceremonial purposes only.
I'm Boxer, and I will work harder, and Napoleon is always right.
You daggone right I am. Yeah. Long live the windmill. Long live Animal Farm.
The they have rebuilt the windmill.
Family Coroni! Yeah! Found the biscuits! We found the
Oh, my leg!
Boxer has worked so hard he has collapsed. Boxer has died in the hospital. The whim. We don't need it. We don't need. Okay. Peel a banana, Chance. Yep. 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 All right, Alice, go. Go. All right. Yep. 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 All right, let's get it.
Okay,
Let's get it. Nope. Somebody get it. Somebody get it. We gotta get it. Get it, Cassie. Let's get it real quick.
I ain't getting it
Let's
real
get it real quick. Let's get it. Shuck the corn. Go. Go ahead, just get it.
I ain't getting it.
You better pause that, dude. We're gonna have a film on it.
I'm gonna shit.
Pause it and
Whoa! Hey!
Are you filming that now?
The commandment has changed. Pigs start sleeping with sheep.
I pull up in Rollers and shit, with choppers and Harleys and shit, real. I be Gucci down, Gucci. You wearing the car some shit, yeah. Mud club, yeah. Fur came off of belt, yeah. Triple homicide, put me in a chair, yeah. Triple across the plug, we do not play fair, yeah. Got them tennis chains on, man, they real blingy. Draco make you do the chicken head like chingy. Walking Neiman Marcus and I spend a life 50-50. Please proceed with caution, shooters, they be right.
attempting to do it. No! Bye, guys. I don't know. Caitlin. Kirsten, are we going to eat?
Go. Crap.
Pigs got so advanced. Pigs got so advanced, they started fishing with hula poppers.
Hey, bang!
Morning, Mr. Whimper.
Well, good morning.
I got you some eggs.
Well, I got you some milk.
Well, hey, thank you. See ya.
See you, bye.
The pigs start sleeping with sheets in the farmhouse.
Now watch out. Everybody watch out on this side of it.
Watch out. Hey, Allison, move. Cindy is back. We're dropping the...
Watch out.
Oh, Cassie.
This is my girlfriend. It's beautiful.
Burn the road up.
It's for all the classmates. They got in the room right now.
No, one more, one more. Hold on. Hey, do your touch ID. Do your touch ID. Do your touch ID real quick.
It's still recording.
Okay, I know. Okay. Oh yeah. That's all I got. Love y'all. Oh, hey there. This is my dog. It's a Boston Terrier. And, she's wanting to be on this video. She, about 5 minutes later, she was like, yeah, get me on that video. I want to pick a guitar. I like rock music, you know? And I just wanted to, I just wanted to show you her talents. Okay? Play it. Go, sweet. Oh. You ready, girl? Put that head back. Ready? Hit.
Stop aching, my body started shaking and I can't take no more.